Hello children, today we are going to discuss about the topic famous sports person of India from the chapter Games We Play, class 3 EVS. So here you can see a picture and you have to observe the picture carefully and you have to identify who is she. I'll give you a clue. She is from Assam. Yes, you have guessed correctly. She is Hima Das and she plays athletics. Now about Hima Das, she was the first Indian woman to win a gold medal at the IAAF World Cup Under 20 Athletics Championship held in Finland. She won 3 medals at the Asian Games, 1 gold and 2 silver. She also won the Arjuna Award in 2018, becoming the youngest Assamese player to be honored with this award. And she is also nicknamed as Dihing Express. Now the second picture, children, you have to identify who is he. I'll give you a clue. He is a cricketer, an Indian cricketer, a very famous Indian cricketer. Yes, he is Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, the master blaster. He is the youngest Indian to play Test cricket and made his debut for India at tender age of only 16 years. He was the first man to reach more than 15,000 runs in Test cricket. And children, you can also see a wax statue in Madame Tussauds Wax Museum. Now, I'm sure you all have guessed who is he. Yes, he is Mahendra Singh Dhoni, former Indian captain, rather cool captain, and MS Dhoni was a force, a complete army in himself, and under his leadership, India clinched historic final of 2011 World Cup against Sri Lanka. In 2013 also, under him, India won the ICC Champions Trophy. So he is the only captain to win all 3 ICC events. And in 2020, he has retired from all forms of cricket. Yes, I'm sure the younger generation, all of you have guessed correctly. This is Virat Kohli, the current captain of the Indian cricket team. And he has the most doubles hundreds, that is 7, as a Test skipper. Now she is a badminton player and she is none other than PV Sindhu. And she has won many medals, including a gold at the 2019 World Championship. She is the first Indian to become the badminton world champion and the first Indian woman to earn an Olympic silver medal. The next slide. She is also a badminton player from India and she is none other than Saina Nehwal. Yes. So she is also a very successful badminton player and she has won gold in 2010 Commonwealth Games and in Olympic 2012 she has won bronze medal. Yes. Now she is a very famous long tennis player, long tennis superstar from India, and she is none other than Sania Mirza, and she has won many mixed doubles like French Open and US Open, etc. And she has also won many medals in the Asian Games. Now all the children who loves football, I think they'll be able to guess correctly who is he, and he is none other than Baichung Bhutia. So he is a football player from India and the torch bearer of the Indian football in the international arena. Now this question is for chess lovers. Children, those who love to play chess, I'm sure they might have guessed correctly. Yes, he is Vishwanathan Anand. And he is a renowned Indian chess player and he has won World Rapid Chess Championship and the World Bliss Championship in 2000 and 2008 and 12. He has also won World Chess Championships. And this is the last slide. Children, she is from Northeast and a boxer. So she is none other than Mary Kom, the only Indian female boxer to win an Olympic medal. She won the bronze medal in 2012. She has also won 7 medals at the World Championship. So now I'm going to tell you about some of the sports, games and sports in which ball is involved. Okay. So yes, some games that we play with a ball. So the first one is basketball. Second one, yes, cricket ball. Then the first picture, yes, it's a table tennis ball. The second picture, it's a long tennis ball. Then this is football and this is hockey ball. And this is volleyball and this one is golf ball. Okay, children. So I hope all of you can go through the slides again before attempting for the quiz. And here I have given a link for assessment. So you can play the quiz and I'm sure all of you will like it. So you just have to select the link given, hyperlink given below, and right click and open the hyperlink. And I have another question for you. You can draw a ball and you have to write down how many games do you know which we play with a ball. So you have to draw and write their names inside the ball. Thank you.
ये क्या छोड़ो ना।